Hello, friends. Today, I made a Chrome extension. It's made for YouTubers who record their screens and create tutorials. It's very helpful. Let me show you how it looks. First, go to Manage Extensions. Turn on Developer Mode, then click Load Unpacked. My file is version 3, and it's already loaded. You can see I've pinned it here. Now I'll click the extension and turn everything off first. I'll show each feature one by one. First is Zoom. I'll refresh the page. If you double-click, it zooms in. As you can see, it zooms clearly. Now let's look at the other features. We have Draw, Highlighter, Enable Highlight, and Spotlight mode. I can choose a color here. Let's select red. You can also change the highlight size and the outside offset. If I adjust it, it looks like this. If I highlight the pricing section, it shows the price clearly. You can change the color anytime. If you don't like it, you can switch to white. This looks clean. The zoom and highlight together look great. Now let's check another feature. I'll enable marking and toggle it on. When I right-click, it shows like this. The text appears clearly. For example, if I want to highlight $29, it focuses on that area smoothly. Click again, and it highlights another section. You can clearly show what each plan includes. Isn't this an awesome Chrome plugin for creators? Hit subscribe and like video if you need exact tutorials to make this extension.